Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of human image animation with MagicAnimate. MagicAnimate employs a revolutionary diffusion model to bring static images to life with unprecedented realism. From subtle facial expressions to dynamic, full-body movements, MagicAnimate ensures temporally consistent animation, capturing the essence of human motion. Whether it's for entertainment, education, or research, MagicAnimate opens up endless possibilities for creative expression and storytelling. Experience the magic of temporally consistent human image animation with MagicAnimate.
So follow the steps as per the installation guide. So navigate to the folder where you want to install. Type CMD in address bar and press enter. Now copy the command mentioned in step 1. Paste and press enter. This will clone the repository in the local machine. Now the next step is, since we are installing it on Windows, which is not by default supported, open this link in browser. Navigate to the folder and copy this path. So NDGOG have created requirements windows.txt file, which we are going to use to install our Windows. So we will need to download this file. Click on download, enter the path and save it. So the file is downloaded here. Now the next step is to navigate inside the folder. Now we will create the virtual environment. Next, we need to activate the virtual environment. Next, we need to install the requirements. So make sure it is requirements-windows.txt, which we downloaded from a different GitHub location. The installation is now complete. Next, we need to download the models. So navigate to this URL. So this is how the models and checkpoints should be placed. So inside MagicAnimate folder, we need to have pre-trained models folder. So let's create one folder. And inside this folder, we need to have 3 subfolders: MagicAnimate, Stable Diffusion, and SDVA. A bit confusing, but that's okay. So here are the 3 links that we need, from where we need to download. So open the first link, go to files and versions. Now there are different ways of downloading this. Either do it manually or use a different approach, which is just cloning this entire repository. So type CMD and press enter. We should go inside pre-trained models. We don't need to activate virtual environment. Now click on these 3 dots. First, you need to navigate to Files and Versions tab. Then click on this and clone repository. So the first step is git lfs install. Copy, paste, and press enter. Once the installation is complete, then copy this command, or you can press this copy icon here, paste, and press enter. So it will clone the entire repository in this folder. Now there are some additional files which we do not need, which we can delete later on. Like there are multiple models, we can delete the ones that we don't need by referring to this section here. The process is now complete. We need to repeat the same step for the VA file. So open this link, navigate to files and versions, then click on these three triple dot and click on clone repository. Now copy this command, paste and press enter. Now the last step is to download the MagicAnimate checkpoints. So open this link, copy this command, let's wait for it to finish downloading. The installation is complete. Under step 2, earlier I mentioned that we need to download only requirements-windows.txt file, but there is one additional file, run_grady_demo.cmd file, and place it in the root folder. So these two files need to be downloaded from the following link. So now it's time to launch the UI. For that, you can run this run_grady_demo file, double click on it. And once this message comes, click on more info and run anyway. Now it is available on the local URL. Just copy this link and launch it in browser. So there is another link that is the public link. So if you want to run this server and basically share it with your friends, then you can share this link. As long as the server is running, this link will be available. And every time you relaunch the server, this link will change. So this is the interface. Here we will see the animation results post-processing. Here we have to provide the reference image. Here is the motion sequence. Here we can define the seed number, then the sampling steps and guidance scale. So these are the only customizable options. So let's first see with one of the existing examples that is provided. So once you have made the selection, click animate and wait for the process to finish.